today we're going to do a napkin Christmas tree. So what we're going to do is to fold this one in half, and then you fold it in half again, and then you're going to flip it over. The opening should be facing you, and then you're gonna fold this one in half like a triangle, and then you fold this one just not all the way, like a sphere, and then this one, and then this one. Then after that, you're gonna flip that over. You're gonna fold this side to the other side like that, the other one too, and then this one you're going to fold it in, and then you're going to have your really nice plate, and then ta-da, there's your Christmas tree.